Join us in the industry of the future. With 3D additive manufacturing for mass production, the product of your dreams will become a reality. Complex designs, personalized, in record time from the creation of ideas up to the delivery of the product. Even for mass production, at DEDIENNE Multiplasturgy Group, we take up the challenge. Together, reinventing the way of creating and producing functional parts made of a high-performance and recyclable polymer. Thanks to 3D additive manufacturing, more precision with unparalleled technical performance, and infinite creative potential. You will no longer be able to do without it. Forget the cumbersome, tedious, and complicated process. Choose the agility of 3D additive manufacturing and have the assembled and functional parts ready to use immediately. At the heart of innovation, we go that bit further. With the launch of your creation, customized prototypes, all manufactured and tested in our Atelier DEDIENNE 3D. And when you are fully satisfied, we will start production immediately. Speed of execution, no tools needed, productivity and quality, at the same time implementing recovery of all unused material. These are the assets of our Atelier DEDIENNE 3D. With DEDIENNE Multiplasturgy Group and its Atelier DEDIENNE 3D, you have the power of changing the world, a power to create that you have never imagined. The future? Maybe. But right now, at DEDIENNE Multiplasturgy Group, innovation is our vital force.